I purchased this 4-core aluminum radiator on eBay from a seller called Sup Racing. The radiator is made by Luxerad, and installed it in my truck. For the next several months, I refilled it probably 2 or 3 times because it was low, about 3 inches in water level. So I eventually found a puddle underneath where it sits on the frame, and got out my endoscope and traced this leak that you can see from the staining all the way up. Now there could be a leak there given looking at the staining, but I traced it up to here where I put this black mark with a felt marker, and you can kind of tell there's absolutely no damage to the radiator itself where the leak was coming from. So I contacted the seller and explained that the radiator was less than a year old, and asked him to either warranty it or make me a good deal on a new one. Well, he came back with an offer just a few dollars less than what I paid for this one, and I was not satisfied with that. So I asked him to contact the manufacturer, and I sent photos of where the leak was to show there was no damage and that there definitely was a leak. Well, according to the seller, the manufacturer declined to warranty the radiator, even though it had only been 11 months on a 1-year warranty. So I contacted the seller again and asked them to make me a better deal on a new radiator or contact the manufacturer again. I heard nothing back. So I contacted the seller another 4 or 5 times, and still there was never any reply. So basically they just started ignoring me. With a 1-year warranty on this radiator, I was very unhappy, and there's no way I'm going to purchase another item from that seller or this radiator manufacturer. So voila, another radiator. And this one is from Alloy Works. I wrote it on here. Alloy Works. And I just purchased this. It has a lifetime warranty, and I'm going to install it in my truck. Now, as far as the cooling capacity goes, even though most of the year I operated this faulty radiator, it was, probably 3 inches low, right? You can tell by the line there. And it still did a wonderful job of cooling my truck. On cold winter mornings, I could watch my temperature gauge rise until the thermostat opened, and then the temperature would drop back to normal immediately. So the 4-core radiator works wonderful, even when it's low on fluid. But I'm really not happy with the seller or the manufacturer. So let's hope this one does better. And if it goes bad on me, I'll put up another YouTube and let you know how it went. Thanks for listening.